Hello, welcome. Let us have a problem based on applications of percentage. The problem is A sells some articles to B at a profit of 5%. B sells the same to C at a profit of 20%, and C sells them to D at a profit of 25%. What would A's percentage of profit be if he sold the articles directly to D at the price D paid for them? When we read the question like this, complete confusion, we won't understand anything. Just A sells to B, B sells to C, C sells to D at different rates of profit percentage. That means selling price of A is the cost price of B, selling price of B is the cost price of C, selling price of C is the cost price of D. So, if A directly sells to D, that means cost price of D, if that is the selling price of A, then what would be A's profit percent we have to find. Okay? So, let us take that cost price for A is X. Cost price for A is X. Okay? So what happens is, if cost price for A is X, selling price of A will be X into 1 plus 5 by 100. Because X plus 5% of X is the selling price of A. That is the cost price of B. So selling price of A will be the cost price of B, and B sells at that price to C. So that will be the cost price of B. See, without writing anything, I am writing here X is the cost price of A. Into one place, A sells to B at a profit of 5%. This is the selling price of A to B, and this itself is the B's cost price. B sells, means B's cost price is this. B sells to C at a profit of 20%. So B's selling price will be B's cost price into 1 plus 20 by 100. This is the selling price of B and the cost price of C. And C sells to D at a profit of 25%. So this is the cost price of C, and profit is 25% of this. So this into 1 plus 25 by 100 is the selling price of C and the cost price of A. So directly I am writing here cost price of D or for D is this. I hope this is clear to you how we have done. This is the selling price of A, this is the selling price of B, this is the selling price of C, that means cost price of D. Let us simplify. Cost price of D, 5 1s are 5 20s are, 20 1s are 25s are, 25 1s are 25 4s are. So we get X into, here 1 by 20, 1 is that 20 by 20 means 21 by 20. Here 5 by 5 means 6 by 5. Into here 1 by 4 by 4 means 5 by 4. Okay? So again we can cancel 2 2s are 2 is 5 is cancelled. We'll get 21 3s are 63x by 22s are 40. So this is the cost price of D. That means if A sells to D directly to this price, that means cost price. Your second situation, if what would A's percentage of profit be if he sold the article directly to D? So according to question, for A selling price of A to D is 63x by 40. If it is that, so we can write first case, second case also we can write, okay, if given. So if the cost price of A is X, selling price of A to D is this much 63x by 40. What is its A's profit and with that we can find what is his profit percent. Let me do that here. So profit for A is, or profit is equal to, actually 63x by 40 is the selling price, if it is, minus x. 40 is the LCM. 63x minus 40x, that gives you 23x by 40 is the profit. If A sells to D directly, okay, if A sells to D directly at this price, what is A's profit percent we have to find? So let us find profit percent of A. You know that profit percent is profit by cost price into 100%. Profit is 23x by 40 by cost price is A's cost price x into 100%. That gives you 23x by 40 into x by x means 1 by x into 100%. X cancel, 0 cancel, 2 2s are 2 5s are. So we'll get 115 by 2%. That means 257.5%. Therefore, A would have 57.5% profit. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. If A would have sold to D directly at this price, A would have got 57.5% profit. Thank you.